Welcome to Photoshop Art. Today we're going to learn how to make a glass effect in Photoshop. Go to View and make sure Snap is checked. Enable Transform controls. Press Ctrl R to see rulers. Add one ruler to the middle of the screen. Click on the plus icon to make a new layer. Find the Gradient tool. Select black to white. Hold Shift and drag across the document. Select the Move tool. Hold Shift and resize the gradient by half. Confirm that. Now hold Alt and Shift and drag a copy to the right side. Shift-click on the second gradient layer to select both layers. Press Ctrl E to merge those two layers. Keep doing that a few more times. This is going to be our pattern. Right-click on the gradient layer and select Duplicate Layer. Select New Document and click OK. Save the document and name it Pattern. Close the document. Delete the gradient layer because we don't need it anymore. Press Ctrl J to copy the layer. Go to Filter. Filter Gallery. Find the glass filter. Click on this icon and select Load Texture. Find the document we just saved. Adjust the scaling and click OK. If you want only one half of the image, find the rectangular marquee tool. Select one side of the image. Click on the mask icon. This is Photoshop Art. Thanks for watching.